Guys, I'd like to read you from the Study Bible, Ephesians 4, verses 1 to 5. As a prisoner for the Lord, then I urge you to live a life worthy of the calling you have received. Be completely humble and gentle. Be patient, bearing with one another in love. Make every effort to keep the unity of the Spirit through the bond of peace. There is one body and one Spirit. Just as you were called to one hope when you were called, one Lord, one faith, one baptism, one God and Father of all, who is over all, through all, in all circumstances. Yes, we have one Father in heaven, Lord. God, He will guide us and lead us. Have a pleasant day, guys. Cheers for now.